Your man is on the beat, you feel me? I would be running if I was you. Have you ever heard of Texas Chainsaw? It ain't Jigsaw. Have you ever heard of Texas Chainsaw? Watched the movie the other day. I watched the first one, it was horrifying. The last one wasn't so horrifying. Cool part about the movie, it was, guess what? Based on a true story in Texas 1950s. It was based on 1950s. Hey nigga, get G. The psychopathic man running with a chainsaw. First reaction, what you gonna do?